Imagine a place where the sun filters through a ceiling of emerald green, where the air is so pure it practically sparkles, and where life thrives in every corner. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. This is a realm where the sheer scale of life and nature intertwines in a symphony of color, sound, and energy. It's an unparalleled world that stretches across the heart of South America, reaching out its leafy arms to touch 9 countries, from Brazil to Peru, Colombia to Bolivia and beyond. The Amazon rainforest, the planet's largest tropical rainforest, is an intricate tapestry of ecosystems and habitats. It's a place where every square inch is teeming with life, creating a kaleidoscope of biodiversity. From the smallest insect to the largest predators, from the quietest plants to the loudest birds, millions of species call it home, each one in its unique way contributing to the symphony of life that resonates throughout the forest. In the heart of this sprawling green expanse runs the Amazon River, the lifeblood of the rainforest. This mighty river is more than just a waterway, it's a highway, a lifeline, connecting communities, nourishing habitats, and shaping the landscape. Flowing with power and purpose, it feeds the forest, allowing life to flourish in abundance. But the Amazon rainforest is more than a collection of plants, animals, and a meandering river. It's a place of wonder, a place of discovery. It's a world that challenges our understanding of life, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. This verdant wilderness is a testament to the power of nature, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The Amazon rainforest is not just a forest, but a world teeming with life and mysteries waiting to be discovered. It invites us, beckons us to delve deeper, to look closer, to listen harder. Because in the heart of the Amazon, every rustle, every ripple, every breath is a part of a story of life in its most vibrant, untamed form. Every step within the Amazon is accompanied by a symphony of sounds, from the rustle of leaves to the calls of exotic birds. It's an orchestra conducted by nature herself, a masterpiece that resonates with the rhythm of life. The Amazon symphony begins with the soft morning light, as the dense foliage awakens to the chorus of the dawn. The first movement is gentle, a delicate crescendo of chirps from insects rousing from their nocturnal activities. Their voices rise and fall, creating a rhythmic melody that forms the bass note of the rainforest symphony. The second movement introduces the primates. Their calls echo through the trees, a percussion section that adds a dynamic rhythm, pulsating with the heartbeat of the forest. From the soft hoots of the nocturnal owl monkey to the raucous cries of the howler monkeys, their voices layer upon the insect's melody, enriching the soundscape with their unique tones. The third movement belongs to the birds. The Amazon is a grand stage for over 1,000 species of birds, each with its own song to contribute. The lilting tunes of the toucans, the trilling notes of the macaws, and the haunting melodies of the harpy eagles weave together, creating a rich tapestry of sound that fills the air with a harmony as colorful as the birds themselves. The final movement is the whisper of the wind. It's the gentle rustle of leaves, the subtle sigh of the branches swaying in the breeze. It's a quiet melody that binds the symphony together, a gentle reminder of the unseen forces that breathe life into the rainforest. As the day gives way to night, the symphony changes its tune. Nocturnal creatures add their voices to the mix, creating a new melody under the starlit sky. The symphony never ends, it simply evolves, reflecting the constant cycle of life in the Amazon. In the heart of the Amazon, every sound is a note in nature's grand symphony, a testament to the vibrant life that flourishes here. As we conclude this journey, it is important to remember the vital role the Amazon plays in our world. This lush green expanse is not just a rainforest, it's a life force. It's the world's largest carbon sink, a natural system that absorbs more carbon dioxide than it releases, playing an instrumental role in combating climate change. But the Amazon is more than just a climate regulator. It's a haven of biodiversity, teeming with millions of different species, many of which are yet to be discovered. Each creature, each plant, plays its part in this intricate web of life. Let's not forget the indigenous communities who have called this emerald paradise home for centuries. Their lives are intimately intertwined with the forest, their culture and survival inextricably linked to its health. The Amazon is more than a rainforest, it's a vital part of our world, an irreplaceable treasure that we must strive to preserve. Its story, like its biodiversity, is vast, complex, and utterly captivating.